Found him.
Hey, what's good,
Dude?
Yeah.
Oh, what a flight.
How you doing?
I think I'm still trying to recover from the altitude from running across Denver. Look at this, first class pickup. All right, just rolled up to the shop. Kyle's gonna show me around for the first time. Take the people with me. They get to see it too. Seen this view.
Up there?
Seen this view on the webcam a couple times. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at the stacks and fun stuff.
Oh.
All sorts of goodies.
What is this, the daily haul that shows up this time of year for sled building?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like Christmas every day. Sweet.
So which one was the build we gotta drop off? This guy?
Yeah, that one. There's just a little organizer in this one. Yeah.
Not bad. Be a lot of time in here this winter.
Yeah.
For sure.
Lots of time, my man. Yeah, it'll be nice. We'll get some of these cleared out. This one's getting a charger this week. This one's done, so we'll send it out the door. And then, you know, handle the old fucking Scandic.
I'm sure. We'll see the build. See what we can do with this thing. Dropped off. What do we got done to this one, Kyle?
Ooh, she's got a nice supercharger, some running boards, 7-inch tunnel chop, channel top.
Channel top.
Tunnel chop with some BM Fab running boards, a road concept, rear support to it, and some other little goodies to it. Some cheetah bars, Cobra equipped, obviously.
Obviously.
Yeah.
This guy's gonna have fun. You're sitting pretty.
Ready for the season.
First one. Big shop day today.
Yes, sir.
Oh, red Loctite everything. Is that what you were just saying?
We don't have nothing coming loose.
Nothing. Red Loctite everything. This man's an animal.
It's a little piece of artwork.
Greasy. Look at that stock stuff. Cap off in the tensioner every single time. Day out today, Saturday, working on sleds. It's supposed to be like 70 something today. We're gonna get the boat out. Then we got Kyle over here just making a mess in the driveway.
I don't know why you should throw baby corns out. Baby corns are great.
Good. I love the baby corns. Before we ride, before we go on the boat, Kyle's gotta do a little work. This last time he decided to suck up a log. Right, Kyle?
Yeah, man. She sucks up everything. Everything in her pad.
The multi-use spring puller.
Nice out.
Get one of the Totally off of that.
Cheers.
Well, I'm glad we took it for a rip before that happened.
Yeah, we got a good rip in. It's just a starter. It's pretty simple. She made it. She made it all year. The last rip.
That's how she goes.
It's a good float though. Yeah, so we don't ride that right there, that phase, but we can go ride those to the left.
Yep.
Solid.
Yeah, no, she didn't even.
She dead. Can't even turn on the radio.
Hit it!
Oh, here we go.
Good luck. It's good.
We're good.
Oh no.
That's not good.
What do you mean, bro?
The second we hook up, dude, it turns off. That's what we were doing.
This is how you do it on last day. You guys got a paddle? You're out of gas?
We might be.
I got a lot of gas.
Just not a lot of go.
Okay, what's the biggest container we got?
Whiteclaw.
1 pint of gas at a time, bro.
Oh, here you go, bud. We need to go that way. We need to hit that shore.
Gosh, this is why you're hiring me, eh?
This thing
You got a paddle.
nice.
This shit's funny. It's a race.
How many horsepower is this boat?
1 chase power. You know what, Kyle? As much fun as boating in Montana is, I think I'm gonna stick to snowmobiling.
There's a moment when you daydream. Was it really that bad? Was it really that bad? You fucked up all the things we could have had. Yeah. Hate me, girl, wanna rape me. You got me, baby. And we in the drop top, doing about 80. That's when she gave me top. Man, my life crazy. Can't even afford a car.